Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Welcome back to Health Fact 10M, the place where real people learn simple, practical, and science-informed ways to take better care of their bodies. If you've ever caught yourself slouching, rounding your shoulders, or feeling like your spine has slowly shortened after years of sitting and scrolling, trust me, you're not alone. A lot of us don't realize how daily habits quietly pull our posture downward, making us look and feel shorter than we truly are. And while height is mostly determined by genetics, the way we carry ourselves, our posture, spinal alignment, and muscle balance, plays a huge role in how tall and confident we appear. That's why today, we're going through 10 powerful exercises you can easily do at home. These moves help lengthen tight areas, reduce stiffness, support your spine, and create the kind of posture that naturally boosts your height appearance. Before each movement, I'll break down what it targets and how it contributes to better alignment. Then I'll guide you step by step through the correct form so you get the most out of it. Let's start by waking up the body with a gentle warm-up. Warm-up, preparing your body for lengthening. Take a moment to ease into the session. Start with slow neck circles, nothing rushed, just a gentle rotation to release built-up tension. Roll your shoulders back several times to open the upper chest. Swing your arms in a relaxed, loose motion as you lightly march in place. This warms your joints and gets your blood flowing. Next, move into a slow cat-cow stretch. Round your spine upward, then drop it down as you lift your head. This helps bring mobility and warmth to the entire back. Finish with a few deep, steady breaths to expand your rib cage and reset your posture. Now that your muscles are awake, let's move into the main routine. Kneecap 1 Spine Lengthening Stretch, Overhead Reach. This first movement is all about creating space along the entire spinal column, from your lower back up through your shoulders. Tight muscles often compress the spine, so this stretch encourages gentle decompression. How to do it? Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lift your arms overhead, interlocking your fingers. Imagine someone gently pulling your hands toward the ceiling. Keep your core lightly engaged as you lengthen upward. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply as your ribcage expands. This simple stretch can help your posture look instantly taller and more lifted. Kneecap 2 Floor Hanging Stretch, Superman Reach. This movement mimics the effect of hanging from a bar, except you're doing it safely from the ground. It strengthens your back and glutes while giving the spine a traction-like pull. How to do it? Lie face down. Extend your arms forward and your legs straight back. Lift your chest and legs just a few inches off the floor and reach forward, as if you're grabbing onto something ahead of you. Hold for 10 seconds, lower gently, and repeat 6 to 8 times. It's a fantastic way to counter hours of sitting and reset spinal tension. Kneecap 3 Pelvic Bridge Lift. Many people unknowingly tilt their pelvis forward due to tight hips, which can make the body look shorter. This exercise helps correct that by strengthening the glutes and supporting the lower back. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward while squeezing your glutes. Hold briefly at the top, then slowly lower. Repeat 12 to 15 times, keeping your core active throughout the movement. Kneecap 4 Wall Lean Chest and Rib Stretch. Rounded shoulders can rob you of your natural height. This stretch opens the chest and upper ribs, allowing your torso to lengthen and your shoulders to sit properly. How to do it? Stand a step away from a wall. Place your hands overhead on the wall. Lean your chest forward gently while keeping your spine long. Hold for 20 to 25 seconds, focusing on expanding through the rib cage. Kneecap 5 Cobra to Child's Pose Flow. This fluid sequence helps restore mobility to the spine while easing tightness in the front and back of your body. How to do it? Start in Cobra Pose. Lift your chest upward while your hips stay grounded. Then slowly shift your hips back toward your heels into Child's Pose, extending your arms forward. Move smoothly between the two for 60 to 90 seconds, letting your breath guide the motion. Kneecap 6 Hip Flexor Lengthening Lunge. Sitting for long periods tightens the hip flexors, muscles that directly affect your posture and height appearance. This stretch helps open them up. How to do it? Step into a lunge and gently lower your back knee. Press your hips forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your back leg. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 25 to 30 seconds on each side. Kneecap 7 Standing Side Reach Extension. This movement helps widen and lengthen your torso by stretching the obliques and the muscles between your ribs. How to do it? Stand tall. Lift one arm overhead and lean to the opposite side without twisting your torso. Keep your chest facing forward. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This is great for opening the entire side body, helping you stand taller and breathe more deeply. Kneecap 8 Deep Squat Spine Reset. This deep squat position helps realign the pelvis and stretches the lower spine, hips, and ankles. How to do it? Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width. Drop into a deep squat while keeping your chest lifted and your heels grounded. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, letting your body sink comfortably into the position. This stretch encourages better mobility and a more balanced posture. Keycap 9 Reverse Plank Stretch. This exercise opens areas that tend to tighten from everyday life: the chest, shoulders, hip flexors, and the front of your abdominal line. How to do it? Sit with your legs extended. Place your hands behind you for support. Lift your hips into a straight line plank, forming a gentle arch through the front of your body. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat 4 to 5 times. Keep your neck neutral and your body long. Keycap 10 Full Body Length and Relax Stretch. This is the perfect closing movement. It gives your entire body one last chance to elongate from head to toe. How to do it? Lie flat on your back. Reach your arms upward while extending your legs downward. Stretch in opposite directions for 30 seconds, then let your muscles fully relax. This helps your spine settle into a longer, more open position. For the best results, try practicing these exercises at least 5 days a week. While they won't change genetic height, they can absolutely help you improve posture, increase mobility, and unlock your body's natural length over time. Thank you so much for joining today's session here on Health Fact 10M. If this routine helped you feel taller, lighter, or more aligned, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop the word taller in the comments to let me know you completed the entire workout. Stay active, stay confident, and keep standing tall. I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.